Today we are going to do Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation. Motivation is a complex phenomena. So Maslow's need hierarchy theory has been used to understand this phenomena and how an organization can motivate the employees to work better to achieve organizational goal. So Maslow has given a pyramid of 5 basic needs in a hierarchical order. He said that every human being has some physiological needs, that is basic needs of food, clothes, shelter. Every human being works in order to get these needs fulfilled, and organization can pay or can give basic salary and other financial incentives to the employee so that organizational objective can be fulfilled. Then we will switch over to the second need, that is safety or security need. Here the safety and security needs can be of two types: economic safety and physical safety. Right? He can be provided good, safe working conditions along with a pension plan, along with health insurance policy. The third plan is, or the third policy is love, affection, belongingness. Now, he will be longing for all these kind of friendship, relationship. So, this can be provided by the organization by providing cordial relationship with employees. And then the fourth need is esteem need. अब उसको क्या चाहिए? Recognition चाहिए, मान सम्मान चाहिए, किसमें? Family में, friends के साथ. So, this need can be fulfilled by the organization by giving him job title, by giving him promotion, by giving him awards or rewards. The fifth need in the hierarchy is self-actualization need. ये वो नीड है जो हर एक इंसान में विदिन कहीं ना कहीं होती है, लेकिन हम नीचे लोअर लेवल की नीड्स को पूरा करने में बिजी रहते हैं. तब हम आते हैं सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड्स में. इसके लिए एक एम्प्लॉय जो फर्स्ट उसका वो So I have explained the theory, but this theory was based on 4 assumptions. Number 1, people's behavior is based on certain needs. उन needs पे हम लोग काम करते हैं, हम एक need trigger करती है तो एक need से हम दूसरी need की तरफ जाते हैं. The second one is जब हमारी एक need पूरी हो जाती है तो हम दूसरी need की तरफ जाते हैं, right? तो always we are aspiring to get our higher level needs. An organization can keep up the the spirit ताकि वो आपके देश के लिए काम करें. Now I would like to ask you some questions.